In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google SafeSearch on or off. SafeSearch is a built-in Google feature that helps filter out explicit or inappropriate content from your search results. It's especially useful if you're setting up a device for kids, using a shared family computer, or you just prefer a cleaner browsing experience. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on your own computer or phone. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to manage, because SafeSearch settings are often tied to your account and can sync across your devices. If you're not sure whether you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. If you see an initial or a profile picture, you're signed in. If you see a Sign In button, click that and log in before continuing. Next, look at the bottom of the Google homepage. You should see a link labeled Settings. Click on that, and in the menu that appears, choose Search Settings. This will open a new page where you can customize how Google handles your search results. On the Search Settings page, the SafeSearch controls are usually at the top. You'll see an option that says something like Filter Explicit Results. This is the SafeSearch toggle. If you want to turn SafeSearch on, check the box or switch the toggle so that it's enabled. This will help hide explicit images, videos, and websites from your Google search results. If you want to turn SafeSearch off, simply uncheck the box or turn the toggle off. That will allow all results to appear, including content that may be sensitive or adult in nature. After you've chosen the setting you prefer, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is important, because if you navigate away without saving, your changes won't take effect. Once you click Save, Google may briefly reload the page or show a confirmation message. From now on, when you use Google Search while signed in to that account, your results will follow the SafeSearch preference you just set. If you manage multiple devices, remember you might need to repeat these steps in each browser or profile. That's all there is to it. You now know how to turn Google SafeSearch on or off whenever you need to adjust your browsing experience.